Have you ever felt that your stomach is in rebellion?
Maybe you are constantly bloated, your energy levels are plummeting, or your mood swing feels out of control. These could all be signs that your gut health needs some serious attention. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to look for and how to start fixing it. Why gut health is crucial. Did you know that your gut is often called second brain? That is because it does so much more than just digest your food. Here is why it's so important. The gut and the brain communicate constantly through the vagus nerve. That is why stress can give you a stomach ache and why an unhealthy gut can lead to mood swings and anxiety. About 70% of your immune cells live in your gut. If your gut isn't healthy, your body struggles to fight off infections. Serotonin, the chemical that helps regulate your mood, is produced mostly in your gut. An imbalanced gut can mean lower serotonin levels, which might leave you feeling down. Science, your gut health needs attention. How can you tell if your gut is trying to tell you something is wrong? Here are some common signs to watch out for. Bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, or heartburn aren't just uncomfortable. They are signs your gut might be out of balance. For example, bloating could mean your gut bacteria are struggling to break down food. If you're always catching cold or feeling under the weather, it could be your gut's immune function struggling. Have you ever woken up feeling exhausted even after a full night's sleep? This could mean your gut isn't absorbing nutrients properly. Conditions like acne, eczema can often be linked to gut inflammation or imbalances. Your gut influences your brain more than you might realize. If you are feeling unusually irritable or anxious, your gut might be the culprit. Sudden reactions to food like dairy or gluten could mean your gut lining is damaged. It is commonly known as leaky gut. Common causes of poor gut health. Now that you know the signs, let's look at what might be causing these issues. Processed foods, sugary snacks, and artificial additives can throw off the balance of your gut bacteria. High stress level increases the production of cortisol, a hormone that can harm your gut lining and disrupt your gut flora. Antibiotics kills off both good and bad bacteria, leaving your gut ecosystem vulnerable. Fiber is the food that your good gut bacteria thrive on. Without it, they cannot do their job properly. Not getting enough sleep can reduce the diversity of your gut bacteria, which is essential for good health. Let's take Sarah for an example. She's a 25-year-old student juggling exams and a part-time job. Her diet mostly consisted of fast food and she was under constant stress. Sarah began noticing frequent bloating and even random bouts of anxiety. After consulting with a nutritionist, she learned that her gut health was suffering due to her high sugar, low fiber diet and stress. She started incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and probiotic-rich foods like yogurt into her meals. She also started practicing mindfulness and started getting more sleep. Within weeks, her bloating reduced, her mood improved, and she felt more energized. How to fix and maintain gut health? If you think your gut health needs some attention, here is how you can start improving it. Add fermented foods like yogurt to your diet to introduce healthy bacteria. Eat more fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber feeds your gut bacteria and helps them thrive. Water aids digestion and keep your gut lining healthy, so drink more water. Practice mindfulness, deep breathing, or yoga to calm your body and mind. Physical activities increases gut bacteria diversity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. A well-rested body equals a healthier gut. Your gut plays a key role in almost every aspect of your health. If you have noticed any of the signs we have talked about, it's time to take action. Remember, small changes in your diet and lifestyle can lead to big improvements. Let me know in the comment section what signs have you noticed and which tip are you planning to try. Don't forget to like this video, share it with somebody who needs it, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy. I will catch you soon.